Lesson 1. God's Design for Technology. Imagine this, a vast, endless universe filled with stars, planets, and galaxies. And right in the middle of it all, our beautiful Earth, created by God with love and purpose. But wait, there's something special about this planet. It's filled with incredible creatures, breathtaking landscapes, and humans. Yes, you and me. And guess what? God gave us something amazing. Technology. But what is technology, really? Is it just phones, tablets, and video games? Nope. It's so much more. Technology is any tool that helps us solve problems, create new things, and make life better. And guess who gave us the creativity to invent all this? God Himself. Let's rewind all the way back to the beginning. In Genesis 1:28, God said to Adam and Eve, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and govern it. Rule over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and all the animals that scurry along the ground." God gave humans the job of taking care of His creation and using their creativity to make the world a better place. Fast forward to today, and we're still doing that. But now we have super cool tools like computers, robots, and even spaceships. So, here's the big question. How can we use technology to honor God? Think about it. When you use a tablet to learn about the Bible, or when you video call your grandma to tell her you love her, or when you create a cool project that helps others, you're using technology the way God intended. But here's the catch. Technology is a gift, and like all gifts from God, we need to use it wisely. That means not spending too much time on screens, being careful about what we watch or share, and always asking, does this honor God? Okay, let's do a quick activity. Grab a piece of paper and draw a big chart. On one side, write ways technology can help others, and on the other side, write ways technology can hurt others. Now, think about how you use technology every day. Are you using it to spread kindness, learn new things, and glorify God? Or are there ways you can do better? Awesome job. Now let's make a promise to use technology wisely, just like God wants us to. Here's your memory verse challenge for this week. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number, fill the earth and subdue it." Genesis 1:28. Say it with me. Be fruitful and increase in number, fill the earth and subdue it. Great job. Let's see if you can memorize it by next week. And here's a fun challenge for your whole family. Tech-Free Tuesdays. Once a week, take a break from screens and spend time together. Pray, read the Bible, play a board game, or go outside. It's a great way to remember that while technology is awesome, it's not the most important thing in life. So, remember this. Technology is a gift from God, and when we use it wisely, we can do amazing things for His glory. Let's be tech-savvy kids who honor God with every click, swipe, and post. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay close to God.